Well, I'm Mark, and we've had this Avan for nearly 2 years, and we found in it, while we love it and we think it's so practical, there seems to be a couple of inherent problems that come with it. And we were away last weekend enjoying our time up the coast, and we found that the walls at the back were a little bit soft, and found that we've got a moisture issue that we need to attend to. So we thought, having a look on Facebook and different things online, there wasn't a great deal about how to solve this problem, so we thought we might try to put together a little bit of a video showing little steps as we work through and try and get this sorted quickly and properly so it's ready for our next trip away. So we found particularly in these back corners, down near where the springs are located, moisture seems to get in and affects a plywood panel in the back corner. These are foam insulated sides panels, but there is ply reinforcement in the back. When the moisture gets in that, it just really goes soft and soggy, and that's going to cause structural defects. So we're going to work at cutting that out and reinforcing it with something that's hopefully going to be much more stable. And as well as that, I'm hoping we can actually design something into it to stop it being an issue. There are other really good things we have seen online that might help us solve those sort of issues. Put some masking tape so we don't damage the side of the panel. And my wife Charlene's gone through with a knife, now a spatula, just to make sure that's eased off. We've got to undo those handles, take our spare wheel off and our jerry can holders off the back, just so we can slowly work around and remove that whole back unit.
That's actually still quite solid. It's just this part, but even but yes, it's certainly a good bit of rock there. Certainly be better when we're done. Roof is off. That's cool.
I'm drilling through the position of the springs. Because I'm working through the styrofoam, I'm doing it in several parts. So I've drilled right through this all styrofoam through these two beam sections to try and get my drill running as true as I can and so that I can see that it's running through. Then I'm sticking a wooden dowel into that beam because I'm going to screw a stainless bracket onto this later, and I want to have a little bit more bind with that. And now I'm just going to go through and down that original hole